think you all are familiar with the word duplicate. So if anyone knows what is the meaning of duplicate? Yes.
Exact copy or looking similar.
Yes. That's absolutely right. So another word for duplicate is also called as clone. In cloning only the word is there as clone. You can see here. Clone means similar copies. So let's move on to the topic. So here some clones are there. See here both are looking same. Examples sheep, dog and humans. Only cloning can be not done in only animals. It can also be done in plants, animals as well as humans. But researchers are going more on only animals because human cloning is very risky. So let's go to the introduction. Cloning was invented by Ian Wilmot and his colleagues at Scotland. So he is the founder of cloning in animals. They succeeded in proceeding a clone named Dolly. So this is Dolly. They produced Dolly by the help of cloning. Dolly sheep was born in 5th July 1996. So let's move on to the next topic. That's what is cloning. Cloning is production of an exact copy of any cell or any other living organism. So we have here sheep. So this story is about Dolly sheep. So how same type of sheep will be formed by the help of cloning. Example, cow, dog, sheep, humans. Cloning can be done in these all. Cloning can also be done in animals, plants and humans as I told before. So let's move on to the story of Dolly. Here it is given. So here there are two types of sheep. So first one is Finn Dorset sheep and second one is Scottish blackface sheep. From this sheep, mammary gland is taken from the udder of the sheep, and mammary gland is a type of cell which is mainly helps to produce an organism. So here it is given, from mammary gland cell is separated, nucleus is taken, and from Scottish blackface only egg is taken, nucleus is not there. So here we have taken nucleus because we want all characteristics of Finn Dorset sheep. So we have taken nucleus of this sheep, and by the help of electric shock we will combine nucleus with egg, and by laboratory condition this converts to embryonic stage, and next this is implanted into Scottish blackface because this has some problems. It is not able to produce animals, so we want just Scottish blackface as a surrogate mother, but all the characteristics of Dolly are of Finn Dorset sheep because the nucleus is there, and nucleus have a DNA that is mainly responsible for the characteristics of baby. So embryonic stage, after this it is implanted into Scottish blackface. And almost further developments like fetus stage and full term stage happens at that stage only. You can see here Scottish blackface, it is egg donator, and Finn Dorset nucleus. So here they removed the nucleus of Scottish blackface, and they have entered in the nucleus of Finn Dorset sheep because we want the characteristic of that sheep. So by the electric shock this is combined, and next it is converted to blastocyst stage, means the embryonic stage. Next it is implanted into surrogate Eve, means in this tummy only the baby is born. So next the further processes happen like fetus of full term baby, and it is converted to Dolly sheep, and successfully this process was invented by Ian Wilmot. So next we will move to the advantages and disadvantages. So advantages can quickly make copies with useful characteristics. So we have seen here from which characteristic we want, from that sheep only we can make the copies, and the original animal can make eggs all year round. Means Dolly sheep can produce egg. Extinct or endangered species can be also populated through cloning. Means for example white tiger, it is vanishing from the earth. So from that also if we done cloning means it will be repopulated again. So let's move on to the disadvantages. Short lifespan. These animals don't have too much of lifespan. Almost cloned animals have abnormalities. So a normal sheep lives up to 11 or 12 years. So, but Dolly from lung disease have died at 14 February 2004. So we can see here immoral means the characteristics are not fully good. So we can see in lung disease in such sheep or any goat, mostly in that goat it happened. So like this immoral, many eggs may be needed to make one clone, takes time and money. It requires more money and time. So let's move on to conclusion. Some of the research transplant, for that all stem cells are mostly used. So cloning is mostly important. It have disadvantages and advantages also. So if you have any doubts regarding this topic, you can ask.